As you can see, there's like a bunch of crap right here surrounding the alternator. So we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Easy to get to, and with that, you can pretty much move this out of the way. You have to remove a couple of hoses that are attached to it, obviously. You got these 2 from the pump. Go ahead and remove those, and you should be able to pull it out of the way to change your alternator. Go ahead and remove clip, connector, out of the way. Go ahead and remove this connector. Actually, go ahead and remove this connector right here. There we go. Connector's out. What else is on the way? We got a couple of looms here. Go ahead and remove the 12mm that's right here. Make sure it's... oh crap, man. There we go. Finger loose now. Yep. Finger loose. There's a 14mm down here. You want to remove that as well. Okay. So once you have all this out of the way, you want to remove, first of all, you want to remove the serpentine belt. First things first. But the bolts we want to remove is, you want to remove this 14mm right here, that 14, and then you have, where is it at? That 12mm right there. Yep, that 12mm right there. And removing those 2, this will come out. So you got the plug removed right here, and then we need to get this 10mm out as well, the one that goes from your battery, and this should come out. Go ahead and pull forward towards the car, and you should be able to slowly slip the belt right out. Didn't use that much force. We're gonna leave the 19mm right there. Alright. With that out of the way, we can for sure get this alternator out now. Well, how do you guys say it? Alternator, generator? Got the 14mm out from down here. You want to get this 12mm that's on top of the alternator. It's like a bracket that holds all this nonsense wiring. Disconnect your 12-volt line that goes from your battery to the generator. Now to get that 12mm, the upper one that's up here, 12mm is out from the top side. Set that aside, and this should come out now. Oh gosh. Come on. There it goes. To make installation easier, push this one, push it in so it can just slip right in. So it's all put back together. I'm just gonna hope for the best. The bearing is a lot quieter, but there's another one in there that's really loud. Man, all that oil from when it was dripping it. And I need to pinpoint, see which bearing it is and replace it, because I mean it's quiet right now, but I want it to be a lot more quieter. Really happy that that alternator is out and this one is in. It doesn't sound more like a power steering issue, like everyone would say, bro, your power steering is messed up or what? No, it was just my alternator. It was bad. Jeez, leave me alone.